everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Today we are doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. Yeah, we're doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. You're going into the store. I found some stuff that I hadn't tried before from this awesome drugstore brand called Maybelline. And yeah, so I picked up some goodies, I decided to just treat myself, just try some new stuff out. I've never tried some of these products before. I thought, why not give it a try, If you guys want me to do more videos like this using drugstore brands, definitely let me know. Comment down below. Comment what drugstore brand you'd like me to try out next. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I picked up the new Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I picked up the shade Warm Coconut. Ooh, nice. It's got a pump. I also picked up the Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden. I hope that's a good match. I got lots of goodies from Maybelline. So while I was in there, I decided to grab City Mini Palettes. I haven't tried them before. I picked up this one. It's pretty old now. This is the Maybelline X Shayla collab. Makeup Shayla. And yeah, I want to try that. I also picked up this matte City Mini Palette. It's all matte shades and I just thought, wow, that's really cute. So we're going to be trying that out too. And guess what? I finally was able to get my hands on Juvia's Place brushes. Hey! Super stoked, super excited to try these out. Every time I kind of went to get them on the website, they were always sold out. That's how fabulous they are. Like, when you see them, you gotta grab them. So it's gonna be a fun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you guys comment down and tell me what you think. To start off, I'm gonna be using my Mary Kay primer. So I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place flat top foundation brush. I'm gonna pump a few directly on my cheeks and we're gonna see what that looks like. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm sure you guys can see that it is running very red. It has a very red undertone, which I don't have. So that's the foundation. I am looking very red. Almost a loop-ish. But of course, we're just gonna push through and now we're going to go in with the concealer. Alright, we finally got something up. Awesome. So now we're going to just go. Ooh, that is pretty bright. Now that is pretty bright under the eyes. Pretty bright. So I watched Jackie Aina's tutorial and I think she used a totally different color of concealer, but this was what they had in my CVS in my town here, so that's what I got. I figured it should be fine. So just moving on, I'm going to set my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup and then we'll move on to the eyes. I want to start with this City Mini Matte Palette and let's go in. So the first shade I'm going to be going in with is this matte brown shade right here. The brush I'm going to be using is this Juvia's Place Buffer Eyeshadow Brush. And I did not apply any primer because I used my concealer as primer all over my eyelids. And we're going to see how she shows up. Wow, do you guys see that? She has got pigment though. Hello. Wow, that is a pretty matte brown shade. So next I'm gonna pick up this reddish brick shade right here. Wow, let me say one thing, you guys. I am very impressed. Wow, you guys, I am loving this eyeshadow palette. I'm impressed with the pigment, with the payoff. There is kickback in the palette, but so far I don't have any fallout on my face, so I think that's a good one. So next I'm gonna go back into the Maybelline concealer and I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place brush here. It's a brow definer brush. I'm gonna use it to cover a cut crease. So one thing I've noticed is that this concealer dries down pretty fast. So definitely remember that when you're working with it. It's got a lot of kickback. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Makeup Shaler palette. This gold right here. I'm just going to pat that onto the lid that we just carved out. And the brush I'm using is the Juvia's Place Small Shimmer Brush. It's pretty, but I think it can definitely benefit from a setting spray. Yes, getting your brush wet definitely makes a whole lot of difference. Do you see it popping more now? So next up, I'm gonna pick up that Champagne Gold, and I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner, right here. See how that just kind of gives it more dimension and opens it up even more. I'm just gonna go back with that brush that I used earlier and just blend. And I'm just gonna smoke out the edge of the black shade right there, just deepen the crease. And yes, that black is popping. Wow, it's coming off more bluish black, I feel like. But that is very pretty though. So I also picked up this NYX liquid matte liner from the store, and that's what we're going to be using to line my eyes. It says it's a matte liquid liner. For my lashes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara in black. I'm just going to dust off whatever powder is left. And now we're going to go on a CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. Just going to bronze the perimeters of my face. And next we're going to go in with the Sephora Baked Powder. A little bit of blush on my cheeks using my Juvia's Place palette. So I'm just highlighting with my Juvia's Place Saharan palette in the shade Lila. These colors are super bomb. I don't know why I haven't been using them all this while. So next up, I picked up this beautiful Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pioneer, and that's what we're going to be using today. Y'all know I love red lipstick, so I decided to try this one from Maybelline. So that is it, you guys. We are done. All I can say is wow, I am totally blown away by these products that I just used tonight. I am loving these palettes. I am loving the look of them, the pigment, the feel, the way they blend. Everything is wonderful, okay? That's a big thumbs up to Maybelline. I love the lipping. I had fun playing with these Maybelline products. I think their products are beautiful. And of course, it's drugstore, which means it is super duper affordable. Let me know if you guys want me to do more drugstore makeup tutorials like this. Comment down, tell me what was your favorite product that I tried today. Tell me what your shade of the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation is, because this one ran a little Oompa Loompa-ish on my skin, but it's fine. It worked out in the end. Okay, so yeah, I look forward to reading your comments, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Thank you for letting me open the windows. My heart rate's already down at 54. I might actually live to be 60 because you're letting me do this. That's so nice of you.
I can't with you.